The first year law students exam, affectionately known as the baby bar. Once you get into law school, that's pretty much all you hear about because you're focused on passing that at the end of the first year. It's the only way that you can go on to the rest of law school. The baby bar is really cool. Criminal law, torts, contracts. 7 hours of testing, multiple choice and essays to see how well you know your first year law students, law subjects. And quite frankly, there's a little bit of a pressure. You don't want to fall behind your classmates. You want to make sure you can advance. And it's 7 hours. Yes, that's a long test. But it's not as long as the bar exam. But it's great prep for the bar exam later in life. So basically going into the bar exam, we did all sorts of prep after finals. My classmates, we got together, we studied online, we shared essays, we would do the same ones, we'd keep each other accountable because we all wanted to pass. We wanted to pass together because we cared about each other. We were close friends at that point. So a week before the test, my classmates and I, we actually got together in San Luis Obispo and we crammed. We did simulated tests, we quizzed each other, we stayed up till 2 or 3 a.m. to go over multiple choice questions. And one classmate in particular took me under his wing and said, your multiple choices could be much better. Your technique is not correct. And he worked with me until 2 or 3 a.m. at this restaurant that had crazy hours. I think it was a 24-hour restaurant until I could do a multiple choice, pretty much any topic, and get a higher score than I could before just based on technique. Quite frankly, law school is much more difficult when it comes to multiple choice, and so it's a shock for people who are good students to all of a sudden take law school MBEs and realize they're so much more difficult. But after working with Doug, my score shot up 10% in that last week before I took the baby bar. And I think that might have been the reason why I passed. And I know this, it helped me throughout the rest of law school. And after I took the baby bar, I knew that when I got to the real bar, when I got through, that I had the skills and the knowledge and the ability to make it through the bar exam as well.